Welcome guys to another video of Midnight Fresian. Today I'm back with my friends Zoe and Dakota. Today we're going to be playing a game of hide and seek in Moorland. We can't go in the forest, but we can go in the Moorland stables area. Oh. And Zoe's going to be counting first. Okay. Count when you're ready.
Wait, what do I do?
Count to 20.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ready or not, you're This is really too obvious for me. I'm not jumping. It's crazy for me. Okay. Oh, okay. I found no twerps. Why does this look obvious? Why does this look like he went in one of these characters? What the fuck is he?
He used his horse as bait.
Oh my god, I'm offended. He knows some tricks.
You gotta be there.
Lord.
The five babies.
What? Well, he's not. Did you just say bitch?
Yeah. That's my job.
Yeah, I'm supposed to be the conqueror now. I'm stuck.
You're breaking up, Zoe.
This is sad.
I'm hidden. Not very well, but I'm still hidden.
Are you unstuck, so?
No, I literally still suck.
Oh.
I'm gonna run around.
Oh god.
Behind house.
Oh shit. Okay.
Oh god, did I just go roof?
You passed me a while ago.
Me?
Yeah, you did.
Oh, I got out. Okay, that's okay. I'm gonna go back. Oh, it sucks.
Oh shit. Okay.
Okay. I feel like you're
Hey, potato.
I found her.
Wait, did Zoe find you, Mo?
No, she didn't.
Oh shit.
You saw you.
Oh god. You better go hide again, Mo, before she sees you.
I'm not making fun of you, though. Oh my god.
I think you just passed me again.
Wow, okay.
Bad.
I'm gonna go out of my hiding spot a little bit. Oh lord.
You're seriously bad.
Oh shit.
I'm blind to the bat.
Oh lord. I'm just slightly parrying.
I feel like I'm in the area you are.
I see you in front of me. We can go over there. We are not allowed in the forest, please.
Rest in pieces.
Wow, I totally didn't come out of my hiding. Oh.
You use
Screw you.
Oh, okay, I see you. It's obvious.
You find me.
She says while being fight.
It took you forever to freaking find me. You're it, Mo.
Oh, I didn't see your horse.
I think she found my horse and she get baited to go like in the forest or something.
I am so offended right
Mo, you have to count in the stables.
I've done my stable.
Yeah.
No, my stable isn't here.
I don't even
What do I
go
do?
in the corner. Just go in the corner over there. Just go.
I'm gonna go like far away and just come back.
Oh, okay. You go do that then.
I just,
I
I'm
won't
gonna
miss you.
be that my horse has bait.
Oh, okay.
Pretty sorry.
I don't know my how you call it, my numbers in English, so
Oh shit! Just count in French then.
Not in French.
Yeah, count in French.
well,
Oh fuck, he's counting.
Oh no.
I don't know what he's saying.
No, either.
that's this balls,
Did you say just balls?
eyes, balls, canes, eyes, sit.
Oh fuck! I might have just found a really bad hiding spot, a really fucking amazing hiding spot.
Like, wow, then here I come.
Oh my god. No.
Oh fuck! I can't see a
Hey,
shit.
I'm hidden. You will never find me because my hiding spot is way too good.
My hiding spot either sucks or is really good. Oh my god.
It's
Oh fuck. Okay. I wish I could crouch down, honestly.
Yay.
Yay, yay, yay.
Bedroom or something. Wait, you can bow though.
What?
You can bow.
What?
You can do a bow. Whatever.
My horse needs some water.
Yeah, you can bow. I'm just really walking over here.
Oh, Kaylee's not on anymore. Okay. Oh, there's Kaylee.
Slowly walk.
Oh my god, Mo, you're not even gonna believe how I got here. I don't even think you're gonna.
Like glitch in something.
No, I didn't glitch in it. It just.
Oh no,
I don't know.
Bow.
I just.
Oh, I see you.
You see me?
I see you over there.
You
I
s-
there, Doctor.
Oh,
Oh my god.
where?
Under the. I don't remember that shit.
I see you.
Bro, I can't see you though.
What?
But
We're close together.
Oh fuck. I should have hidden more, stood next to the wheel, then it probably wouldn't be enough
Oh my God,
obvious.
was better. No, it's just that I was there and I just saw like you, and then I saw the thing appear.
Oh.
Only the range thing.
I love how you're all passing me.
You're like probably I just saw something.
Oh.
No, I'm not.
That's illegal. That should be illegal for hide and seek. Well, I found Zoe frog cake. Dude, this is a master disguise here. It's Zoe, but your horse is in front of Zoe frog cake.
Oh my god.
Disappeased. Oh lord.
Yeah, you keep running though. You will never find me.
Oh lord, here we go. Or are you like hidden in like the horse trailer or something? Did you go into Fort Pinta?
No, it's in Moorland. Even Chubby's gonna look like.
Oh lord.
of
I
when,
saw a dog run by.
it remind me of when I was playing hide and seek with my friends. Are you glitching something?
No.
Oh, maybe she's in like right in the middle of the road and we just don't know it. See, that would be sad. Oh lord. Did you go like on the roof or something?
No.
Those are kind of runs around.
Oh, anymore.
Oh, wait. I found Zoe! Oh my god! That is literally the best hiding spot. I found you, bro. No, Potato, look back! Come back! No, she's over here! Get your French ass over here! She's right
Yeah.
there. Dude, do you have to see where she was hiding, though? Dude, look, she was hiding...
Follow me. It's the best ever.
Oh my god. She was hiding inside these hay bales. Oh my god.
I would just tip my
Oh my god. I'm like, did I just see something moving there? Then I'm like, oh shit, she's in the hay bale.
What's hay in the hay?
I love how close they box was, though.
Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna take care of my horse real fast.
Shall we continue?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a deep going.
What? Oh fuck, we gotta go soon. It's already 1:30 a.m.
Oh Jesus, it's 11:31 for me.
Oh wait. No.
It's one and a half for you. Don't try. I get myself.
Shut up.
Yeah, Mo, shut up.
Zero of my heart. So rude.
His heart has been snapped in half because it's so hard.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because of you girls. Hard.
Yeah, you're the only French fry here, though.
You really are like, it puts us in half because it's feelings.
I need to make a cross with this, so... Because you need Jesus.
We need Jesus. We find from the cross.
This would be a perfect outro here.
Yeah.
Thanks guys for watching Midnight Fresian. Oh, feel free to check out Zoe Sword Talon's channel. This is perfect. I will see you guys later.
What about my YouTube channel?
I wasn't aware you had one, Mo.
You have no videos. Bye.
So, by the way, get on Skype.
Yeah.
Bro, we are on Skype. Okay, anyway. Bye guys.